This is the DT5 smartwatch from DTNo.1. When you twist your wrist, it opened into a watch face selectable from hundreds of them. Then it switched to a quasi-always-on watch face that stays on for a few seconds before it times out as well. So you have two layers of watch faces on this one, which is pretty cool. When it actually is in its real watch face with the twist your wrist, you can slide down, get into all of the different controls here. Bluetooth calling, you can pair headphones to it, you can play music from your phone or locally from the watch itself. You got a 3D display and all these different ways of presenting your data and much, much more. Your controls for your settings are in here as well. Do not disturb, power management, and you can control the twist your wrist activity from that point. You can slide over here, see your step count information, calories burned, distance traveled, heart rate measurement will be taken here. Blood oxygen using green diode technology, not red, is also incorporated. You have a music player and it's really loud. Check it out. This is playing music on the watch. You have 4 gigabytes of storage in here for music, videos, files, whatever you'd like that you can transfer through the charging dock from your phone. You can add different things here. This is click to activate Siri or Google, and you're back to your overall watch faces. Press and hold, and you got many ones in here, stock ones, and a store that you can download from as well. Tap the side now, and you are into your sporting activities, running, walking, riding, and so forth. No GPS in the watch, but all those are supported. Heart rate, phone call dialing, all these different things. Weather's in here. You've got your contacts and recent calls and messages, a calculator, variety of different games in here as well to play with. You've got a stopwatch, runs in the background, as you can see, timers, flashlight. You've even got a compass built in here, video player, and incorporated videos that they've already added to the watch. So all in all, it's a very sophisticated watch. You've got plenty of things you can do with it. It's lightweight. It comes with 2 different bands and maybe even more in the holiday special time. It's called the DT5. Check it out.